I've uploaded my first product, but I
Awesome.
wanted to get your insights first. I've scheduled the ads for tomorrow, but before I, yeah, but I wanted to get your insights first. So
Awesome. Perfect. So I think a product like this, how much is it on your website actually? How much are you selling it for?
okay, so the buy price, I did it for 32.
Okay, by the way, I like your website. Everything's matching. Your font from your title is matching the font of your
Yeah,
website.
see
This
what
is
I mean? I took your call, I take your entire process to a T.
awesome. I'm glad you did. It's pretty crazy how like even though I might sometimes have to repeat things 30 times and that's our 30.
Yeah, I noticed you had to repeat it in your videos.
Yes, yes. But I think,
Okay, so
yeah,
I show you my homepage. Oh, I think I already showed you. So here, that's my little motto or
nice,
slogan: be unique, be healthy,
nice.
be
I
happy.
like that photo. Really on trend.
Yeah, exactly right.
Really nice.
Yeah, so I've only got the one product now there. So is AliExpress is selling it for 15.06
Mhm.
with $1.34 shipping.
So
So
I'll
that's why I
rate
priced
the product.
31.99 plus 6.95 shipping. What's your thoughts?
So my thoughts, I'd rate this product at like a 6.6 out of 10 or 5.75 out of 10. So this is
Oh,
something that's pretty interesting where you can't really get it from your local store. So people will be definitely clicking on it. It
yes.
is pricey where it's $32. It's, I think, it's not like if I was scrolling through Facebook and I saw this, there's
Yeah.
probably like a 80% chance I'll continue scrolling, a 20% chance I might click on it, and maybe a 1% chance I'll take out my wallet, take out my credit card and buy it on the spot.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'm going, oh, I don't know if I'll pay $32 for this. But so
But
you think AliExpress is too expensive for
I
that
think
particular product?
it doesn't have a high enough perceived value or need to be worth
Yeah.
this price. Obviously, you can't reduce the price because then you wouldn't have enough of a margin. So you
Yeah.
just need a product that has a more high perceived value or higher
Because
need.
I was also thinking in preparation for Halloween, and you did say in your course to be
Yeah,
3 months in advance. So I
that's
thought, okay,
true.
this is
That's
perfect.
true. I didn't take that into
End of,
account.
end of October, yeah, Halloween.
Yeah, maybe you can sort of in your ad copy tailor
Yeah.
it to the Halloween, upcoming Halloween, and I think you've done that. So I think it's even though I've rated it 6 out of 10, I think it's still worth testing because a lot of times there have been products where I've rated 6 out of 10, but they've ended up being massive winners.